student, how are you? I hope you are well at home and enjoying the study. So student, today is your test. So that video will help you in test that is based on revision. So today's test of your chapter 5, interesting places around the world, and in chapter 6, rag to riches stories. In this chapter you will learn about the interesting places around the world that are known for their unique reasons. And the rags to riches stories. In this chapter you have learned about the many celebrities who struggle in their childhood and their sheer hard work, dedication and natural talent made them rich. So let's start the first chapter 5. Friend, open your book and listen me carefully. First question is that it is just 11 kilometers away from Venice. You can reach here in 45 minutes by boat from Venice. It is famous for its bright color, multicolored houses. So the place name is Burano Island. So let's see second question. This is the capital city of Ecuador. It has a monument named La Medalla del Mundo, or Middle of the World. In a park, a thick yellow lines run through the ground that marks the precise position of the equator. So the place name is Quito. Place name is Quito. So third one is, it is a village in southeastern Poland and is known for its wonderfully painted houses. People use flowers composition to paint both the exterior and the interior of the house, including walls, doors and windows. So the place name is Zalippi. Place name is Zalippi. So let's see the fourth. It is a peculiar village as it is built on a lake, Noko Benin, West Africa. It has a population of about 20,000. It is very popular among tourists. So the place name is Ganwe. The place name is Ganwe. So friends, let's see the fifth. It is one of the most isolated monasteries in the world, situated in Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir. It has a unique construction of mud and timber. It is built at the entrance of a natural cave on the cliff face. From a distance, this monastery looks like a giant honeycomb. So the place name is Gokal Gompa. Place name is Gokal Gompa. So let's see the sixth. This is an infamous prison situated in the Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Indian Ocean. It was once known as Kalapani. The British transported hundreds of Indian political prisoners here, cut off from their homes in India over 1,000 kilometers by sea. So the place name is Cellular Jail. Place name is Cellular Jail. Next, this ancient town is located in the Hunan province, China, at the foot of a mountain along the bank of the river Tujiang. It has maintained and preserved over 200 ancient residential buildings, 20 streets, as well as ancient town halls, bells, bridges, etc. of the Ming and Qing dynasty of 14th century. So the place name is Fengguang. Fengguang, this place name is. And let's see the last. Here the Sun Cruise Resort and Yacht is the first on-land cruise in the world. This themed hotel is situated high above the shores of the coastal hill. The hotel measures 165 meters in length, 45 meters in height, has 211 rooms rooms and 6 very big rooms for seminars and workshops. Overhead speakers play sounds of sea waves around the ship. It gives tourists a realistic feel of a cruise without the seasickness. So the place name is Jingdong-Jing. Jingdong-Jing. So let's see the revision of the chapter 6, Rags to Riches. Revision of chapter 6. Let's see Rags to Riches stories. In this chapter you have learned about the many celebrities who struggle in their during their childhood, and but their sheer hard work, dedication and natural talent made them rich and famous. So let's see your book and listen me carefully. So first question is that he had little contact with his father and his mother was confined to a mental hospital. He took care of his brother and himself, doing odd jobs before becoming the greatest actor of the silent movie era. So the actor name is Charlie Chaplin. So actor name is Charlie Chaplin. Second one is he spent his youth living in the streets when he could not afford a cup of coffee. He later became the co-founder of Second Cup, the largest chain of coffee shop in Canada. So the first celebrity's name is Frank O.D. Frank O.D. So let's see third question. She grew in poverty where her single mother lived on welfare in Edinburgh, UK. She even tried to commit suicide. Now she is a celebrated author of the Harry Potter series. So the author name is J.K. Rowling. So next one is he was the adopted child of a working class couple who could not afford his college fee. He later became the creator of innovative devices. So the personality name is Steve Jobs. Personality name is Steve Jobs. Next one is she was born in a very poor family with hand-to-mouth earning from a farmland. She now owns her own network cable channel. So the personality name is Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey. So last one is he worked as a carpenter and a bus conductor. He later became a film superstar. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan. So the actor name is Rajnikant. The actor name is Rajnikant. So student, that video is based on the revision. Watch the video perfectly and give your test with full honesty, and writing must be neat and clean. And I also want to request you, dear parents, along with your child at the time of the test. Thank you.